Namaste. Welcome to the series of Chair Yoga. My name is Sandeep. A lot of people complain about very tight hamstring because some people run, jog and they don't really stretch their hamstrings. They don't do cooling down. It's very important to stretch the hamstrings, and that's the reason why in this video we are going to see two simple stretch to stretch the hamstrings. The first one is where we will stretch the leg in front by holding the foot with the palm. Suppose if I am wearing a shoe, I will catch the foot like this. My knee is a little outside, my elbow is inside. And after doing that, I will straighten the leg in front. It's okay if the leg is not completely straight. We keep on feeling as if you're moving the heel out, but it is very important to keep the back straight. Don't let the spine collapse. Don't let it shrink. Keep it taut, keep it neutral, keep it natural. And then with practice, slowly and slowly, just straighten the leg in front. Maybe if possible, the knee can become straight. This brings a nice stretch in my hamstring. And then after holding fit for about 2 to 3 breaths, come back. I'm going to show you again, but this time from sides. So I'm sitting and putting my foot up and I'm catching the palm. Suppose if I'm not wearing a shoe and if I'm doing it without shoe, then I will catch the toe with the index and the middle finger like this, as if I'm making a hook and catching it. But if I'm wearing a shoe, if I'm in the office, I will catch the foot like this, and then keeping the back straight, I will straighten the leg. Even if I remain here and if I cannot go beyond, I just remain here and enjoy the stretch. But with practice, there is a possibility that the leg can become straight and the back can also remain straight. Maintain like this for some time, 2 to 3 breaths, and then come back. You do it from one side. Don't forget that you also have the other leg and you also have to stretch from the other leg. So this is the first stretch for hamstring, where we do it in front. Now for second stretch, we will do with a side view so that you can see what I am doing. I will sit a little forward at the edge. I will keep my one leg, which is the right leg right now, bent, and the left leg straight like this. Now my left leg is completely straight and I am stretching my left toe in towards me. When I do this, I can feel a little mild stretch. If my hamstrings are very tight, I can feel a mild stretch in the hamstring, the back of the knee and also the calf muscle. Now what is more important is we will go forward, we will lean forward, but with a straight back, not with a round back. I'm as if I'm doing a little pelvis anterior movement and I'm going forward, but stretching the toes in constantly. So every time I exhale, I go forward, I inhale. When I feel that there is a lot of stretch, I just remain there, I don't go further forward, I enjoy the stretch and I keep breathing. But if I find that there is more room, I will exhale and go further forward with my back straight. Can you see my back is straighter? As if I'm bringing the fingers to the toe. And then constantly feel as if you're elongating the spine. The more you elongate, the better the stretches in the hamstring. Maintain here for about 2 to 3 breaths after reaching down, and then come back. Slowly. When you come back, again you're keeping the back straight to come back. You're not rounding the back to come up. And then try with the other leg. Other leg straight, stretching the toes in, back straight. Inhale. When you exhale, a little anterior pelvis and come forward. Inhale. When you exhale, straight back, come forward. Keep this elbow relaxed. Inhale, exhale, go down. And then maintain there for a while. If you can go further forward, but keeping your back straight, you can go. But don't go further forward by rounding the spine. That is not what we want. We want the back to remain nice and flat. Maintain the stretch in the hamstrings. When you hold for about 3 breaths, then keeping the back straight, come back. And repeat it one more time. 2 to 3 times will help you to increase the mobility faster. These were 2 simple stretches to stretch the muscles of the hamstring along with the calf muscles. Remember, in this particular practice, it is very essential to keep your back straighter. Don't round. Don't overstrain your spine. Keep your spine straight and try to move from your hip and the pelvis. Even if you cannot go beyond a point, even if you go just a little, that is enough to bring the stretch initially. Thank you for watching our videos and stay tuned for more videos on the series of chair yoga. If you like our videos, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, queries, doubts, write to us. We will revert it back to you. Thank you. Namaste.